In what way a male can help her partner in case of an unintended pregnancy? First of all, the prevention is the best thing. Whenever there is an unintended or unexpected sexual relationship, the man has to use the condoms to prevent unwanted pregnancy. If the condoms are not used by chance, then at least they can make arrangement for an emergency contraception which can be given within 72 hours of sexual exposure. Once the boy comes to know that the girl is pregnant, he should not run away from the scene, leaving the girl alone to suffer. That is the other thing. Then he should talk to the parents and see that she gets proper help from the doctor. So the girl has to be taken to the doctor for a proper counseling. If there is continuation of pregnancy, then proper arrangement has to be made for her continuation of pregnancy and the childbirth. And if the medical termination of pregnancy is decided, then also she should not be taken to some illegal places or quacks to have the illegal abortion, which can have lot of problems including the death. So a proper support, moral support also should be given. There has to be a responsible sexual relationship. Whenever there is no responsible sexual relationship, when there is an just and with all the ignorance, if there is a relationship and high risk sexual behavior and the boy leaves the girl without any help, so that becomes a serious problem. So it is extremely important, especially if the girl is minor, then the boy can be charged with sexual abuse and sexual assault, and then he can be even sent to jail. So that is a punishable offense. Any girl who is less than 18 years, if she has been used sexually or there is a sexual relationship, as per the POCSO Act, the boy is punishable under the law. And if they are major, more than 18 years, the girl is 18 years old and the boy is 21-year old, they can even think of getting married. So these are the things where there is a boy's role in case of unintended pregnancy.